Hey everyone, this is Amber Lothridge from North Georgia RESA. I am going to show you a few tips and tricks that you can use for really any grade, but more specifically K through 2 virtual assignments. So the first thing that I want to get into is how to add topics. If you are a parent and you log in and you see this, it's very overwhelming. So what I recommend is that you add topics by day and change it out weekly. To add these topics, you simply need to push Create on your classwork section, Topic, and you can name it. You can even put the actual date if you prefer to do it that way. I thought Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then resources would be a good way to start. Okay, so another thing that I found to be very beneficial is to be able to add reuse post. So you can reuse any of these that you've already done. So for example, if you wanted your students to read 20 minutes every day and log it in their reading log, you don't want to do that assignment five times. So you do it once and then you reuse it, and you can tell it which day. You can change things around here or add the document to it if you choose. And then you can tell it which day or topic you would like it to go to. I selected ungraded because these things are not going to be graded, and I also put no due date because we all know that our families are different, and things are looking different for them. Sometimes they're working in the morning, sometimes they're working in the afternoon, sometimes they're doing it all in one day. But whatever the case, I wanted that to be left open to the parents to get it done. Okay, so the most important thing is you are not killing yourself to create so many different lessons. So what I recommend is use the resources that you have available. North Georgia RESA has put together an entire list of resources that we think are could benefit you or that you could use. So all you need to do is go to northgeorgiaresa.org. Up here on Resource, the Resource tab, there's a new unified web resources, and they're outlined by genre, subject, however you want to look at it. So those are all there and available for you. It's a really good resource, and I'm very thankful that it's there. So one of the resources on that page is the GPB Home Classroom. So if you go to gpb.org, and it's also on your North Georgia resource page, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there's Sign Up for GPB Education Newsletter for daily resources and activities. So you can sign up for it, and then also they have all of the previous dates that they have sent. So today's lesson, which I'll show you in my email what it looks like this. And then you just click on whichever grade you're in, and it'll pull up the lesson. Now here's the really awesome part. There's a share to Google Classroom. All you have to do is click it, tell it where you want it to go, and it will go right into your assignment, which I have already done, and that is, see, I'm getting all mixed up, Monday. Okay, it's here. I think I actually put it on Tuesday because it's not there. Maybe I didn't do it. Maybe I was waiting to do it for the video. Yeah, I was waiting to do it for the video. How about that? No, here it is. What's the difference? Peg plus gap. So anyways, you just click that share to Google Classroom, and you can select which day you want it to go in. Okay, let's see. I did the GPB. I wanted to also show you in GPB, you can, from this main page, you can select your grade level and then your subject, I found a math video, this mental math, and you can also embed it right into your Google Classroom from this page. It's a video. It's not really an activity, but it's a video that your students can watch. And so I just selected that and picked the Monday topic, and so there it is. I think it's important to do a 20-minute reading activity every day, and in the resources, I just found a reading log. You probably already have one that your class uses, and I attached that. And then there's one more thing that I think is worth showing you in this video. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how to do a complete lesson and how to create a paper that they can type in and then include a video. So I'll do that tomorrow so that this video doesn't get too long. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. In the stream, if you wanted to do a morning meet, you can go to, let's see if it plays. Okay, I'm going to tell it to play in just a minute. You can go to Snapchat and you can video your morning meet, which I would do daily, and I would tell my students exactly what I wanted them to do. But here's the deal. We all wake up, or we are doing it late at night, getting ready for the next day, and we don't have on makeup, or we want to put a silly cat on our head or a teddy bear around our neck. Snapchat has all of those options. So
hey, I wanted to show you an option for morning meet. You can log on to Snapchat, record your video, and upload it from your phone to your Google Classroom. You can do silly faces. I think the kids would love that. But if you don't want to put on makeup, this is a very easy fix for that. I hope this is something you can use and something that makes your life a little easier right now.
Okay, that's it. So I did that on my phone. I saved it to my phone, and then I uploaded it from my phone. I'm sure there's options where you could do it on the computer if you prefer to do that. But I thought that was a neat way for the students to see me and watch it. Of course, it doesn't have to be in the morning when they watch it, but just be able to watch it and say, hey guys, today's Monday. We're going to do what is the difference? I would like for you to read 20 minutes with you or someone in your family. I would also like for you to do this PBS math video. I also included Study Island because it's free right now. And if you already have another program that your school or your system is using, of course put that in there, but that's an easy way to do an assignment, and I really would not do more than 4 or 5 assignments a day, and you don't have to cover every subject every day unless that's something that your district is specifically telling you. So I hope this has been an informative session and has shown you how to do some things easily. I will be uploading a video tomorrow showing you how to create these types of assignments, and I hope this helps. I hope you're all staying safe and staying 6 feet apart at home.